It is now 6 p.m. on December 1st, Beijing time. Last Thursday, it was recommended to go long in EURUSD at 1.0900 to 1.0835, with a stop loss of 1.0825. After the issue, the lowest price of 1.0829 was placed and all long orders were reached to the entry point. Because we still hold long orders, EURUSD does not make new positions today. The current exchange rate is 1.0875, which is in a small profit. You can keep light positions and set up take profit and stop loss and wait for the market to start. Then there is gold. In last Friday's video, it was recommended to go long below 2027. There was no callback after it was issued and rose widely from 2033.8 in advance. At the same time, it set a new all-time high to 2144.5, with a total of 1,107 points. Although the direction is correct, the market does not give the opportunity to enter, and is not included in the transaction auto statistics chart. At the beginning of the morning, gold directly increased by nearly $70. Recently, net long positions have increased significantly, and short positions have been decreasing. The current bullish volume and bullish sentiment are significantly higher than when the Russia-Ukraine conflict broke out at the end of February this year. The reason is, of course, not just the end of the Palestine-Israeli ceasefire agreement and the resumption of large-scale conflicts, but also the fact that the market felt from Powell's speech that the probability of the Fed continuing to raise interest rate is zero, and is betting on expectations of a faster interest rate cut in 2024. Geographical conflicts cannot drive such a large momentum, but they are also the tipping point. Neither geopolitics nor global economic issues can be covered in a simple summary. But what needs to be known is that the storm in the financial market has arrived. Pay attention to improving the level of risk control, and you must have or find a trading system that can survive in the market. This situation will continue for a long time. We have disclosed LAUDASME account for more than 3 consecutive years, and will continue to disclose the historical records and the real-time operation process of LAUDASME account. If you are interested, you can contact me to learn the password. The initial capital for custody ranges from $5,000 to $200,000. You can choose a cooperation mode based on your needs if it suits you. How to operate today? Let's look at gold first. The market ignored Powell's speech last Friday, which was hawkish among dovish and dovish among hawkish. Superimposed on the end of the Palestine-Israeli ceasefire agreement, the resumption and expansion of military operations, and the outbreak of risk aversion caused by geopolitical conflicts, the price of gold hit a new record high. And then the bulls took profits and returned to the shock of range of last Friday. In addition to the Palestine-Israeli conflict, Iran is also attacking U.S. military bases, which has brought fundamental support to the gold price. The price of gold below 2050 has become a key position. If it falls below the short-term upward momentum, it may be weakened. You can focus here, but at this point, the risk in the first position is also extremely high. Pay attention to reducing the lot size when operating. It is recommended to go long with a light position at 2051 to 2038 during the day, with stop loss at 2036. As for EURUSD, we will not make new positions today. Those in the group can wait for LAUDA's selling prompt. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their support resistance and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is last Friday's signals review chart, and the low part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation. And contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Warren Buffett.